Hello dear students and parents, myself Kishore Patil. I am your math teacher. Today in this video, we are going to learn about addition word problems. So class 5th subject maths topic is addition word problems. Okay, let's start. Usually students have problem in understanding word problems because they don't understand whether they have to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in the question. Let's start with addition word problems. Now I am going to show you some tricks to solve word problems. It is very interesting. Shall we begin it? Here you can see first one is understand, second is keywords and third is operation involved, fourth is information involved. First is understand. Read the problems, then reread it and highlight keywords and numbers. Second trick is keywords. Every word problems contain clue words as to which operations need to be performed. Addition keywords is total, sum, add, added to, plus, increase by, more than, greater, altogether, more, combine, in all. These words means same as addition. So by these keywords you can easily understand the questions is all about addition and you have to perform the addition in this question. Third trick is operation involved. In maths there are four basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Fourth trick is information, usually numerical data. So let's see word problem in detail. Let's take one example. Example number 1. 21,325 people visited the book fair on Friday. 32,136 people on Saturday and 35,654 on Sunday. Find the total numbers of people who visited the book fair on these 3 days. Let's use 4 tricks in this example. First trick is understand. So read the problem, then reread it and highlight keywords and numbers. Second trick is keywords. Now, what is the question asked here? Find the total number of people who visited the book fair on these 3 days. Total means addition. This is keywords for addition. Third trick is operation involved. So, you have to perform addition here. Fourth trick is information. So the first 3 sentences give us the information. So how will we start word problems? Okay, now let's see solution for this example. Now solution. So from the first 3 statements we have written the information given in this question. Now what is the question asked here? Find the total number of people who visited the book fair on these 3 days. Total means addition. This is key word for addition. So you have to perform addition here. Using place value chart, now we are putting number here. First step is add the ones, that is 5 plus 6 plus 4 equal to 15 ones. Regroup 15 ones as 110 plus 5 ones. Write 5 under the ones column and carry over 110 to the tens place. Second step, add the tens, that is 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1 equal to 11 tens. Regroup 11 tens as a 100 plus 110. Write 1 under the tens column and carry over 100 to the 100 place. Third step is add the hundreds, that is 3 plus 1 plus 6 plus 1 equal to 11. Regroup 11 hundreds as 1000 plus 1 hundreds. Write 1 under the hundreds column and carry over 1000 to the 1000 place. Fourth step is add the thousands, that is 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1 equal to 9. Write 9 under the thousand place. Fifth step is add the tens thousand, that is 2 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 8. Write 8 under the 10,000 place. Now answer is 89,115. So final statement is hence 89,115 people visited the book fair on the given 3 days. Now let's take one more example. Example number 2. In a certain election, 13,47,048 women and 14,29,638 men cast their votes. How many votes were polled altogether? So the first sentence give us the information. So how will we start word problem? So number of women equal to 13,47,048. Number of men equal to 14,29,638. So from the first statement we have written the information given in this question. Now what is the question asked here? How many votes were polled altogether? Altogether means addition. This is keywords for addition. So you have to perform addition here. Now using place value chart we have to add this number. After adding number, answer is 27,76,686. Our final statement is hence total number of votes polled altogether is 27,76,686. Now let's take one example. Example number 3. Riyansh bought laptop for 1,02,500 rupees, video game for 5,600 rupees and furniture for 72,500 rupees. How much did he spend in all? So the first sentence give us the information. So how will we start word problem? So cost of laptop 1,02,500 rupees. Cost of video game equal to 5,600 rupees. Cost of furniture equal to 72,500 rupees. Now what is the question asked here? How much did he spend in all? In all means addition. This is keywords for addition, so you have to perform addition here. What will be the total cost? Add all the three items. Now our answer is 1,80,600. Now final answer is total amount spent in all is 1,80,600 rupees. Now it's time for home assignment. Question number 1. If the government gave 34,62,950 worth of computers and 3,26,000 578 worth of TV sets to the schools, what is the total amount it spent on this equipment? Now, question number 2. A toy factory manufactured 52,253 toys in January, 50,375 toys in February, and 6,08,368 toys in March. How many toys were manufactured in the above mentioned months in total? Okay dear students, thanks for watching video. Stay home, stay safe.